Let me show you how to make your own whitening base cream. Yes, guys, it's whitening base cream, okay? But before that, please try to wear your gloves, sanitize your tools, the equipment that you are using. I'm using 2 cups, okay? Yes, use a glass or stainless object, okay? And sanitize it very well. Right now, this is my EWAS. Yes, I'm going to measure in 75 gram, but because some of us doesn't have scale, I'll be using my tablespoon, okay? So I'll measure in 5 of it, 5 of my spoon. Making a 75 gram. I'm going to also measure in my citric acid. Citric acid, I will just take in only 2, which is 30 grams. 30. 2 tablespoons of it, or 30 ml. And also I'm going to also measure in my cetyl alcohol. For cetyl alcohol, I'm just making only 1 tablespoon of it, okay? And this is my olive oil. Yes, I love olive oil here because it let my body glows. Yes, I'm making my own base cream to do my own lotion. I have measured in 45 ml of my oil. That's my olive oil. And I'm going to measure in my coconut oil, but I'm using whitening coconut oil, guys. Yes, I'm using the whitening one because I am making whitening base cream. I'll take in only 15 ml. Then I'll scoop in my shea butter, 15 ml. Okay, it's even more than that, but let's take it 15 ml. Then I'm going to melt it. I'll use double boiler method. Okay, I'll melt it, but before that, let me stir it before I'll use the double boiler method. Make sure that your oil cover your the wax, okay? Make sure the oil cover it. I'm also going to measure in my distilled water. Yes, I'm using 2 water. I'm using my whitening rose water and my distilled water, but before that I am using 125. Make sure that your oil cover your the wax, okay? Make sure the oil cover it. I'm also going to measure in my distilled water. Yes, I'm using 2 water. I'm using my whitening rose water and my distilled water, but before that I am using 125 ml cup. So I'll take in 2 of my distilled water, which is 250. Yes, I measured 2 of this one, making it 250. So this is the 250 of my distilled water. I am going to add in my whitening rose water, which is this one. I added in, it is 200 ml. I added in 1 of it, okay? So making my water 200 plus 250, 450. Guys, please, I am also going to also warm it up. So this is my oil method, and my water is also ready. So right now I'm waiting for the temperature to go down a little bit because it's too hot, so I have to let it go down. Now they are all balanced, so I'll add the water to the oil. Please make sure to add the water to the oil, not the oil to the water, please. Yes, I'll add my 450 water to my oils. That's the phase A and phase B. I have added that one too. Okay, guys, you can add in your salicylic acid, but I don't have, so I did not add in salicylic acid. Okay, then you stir it very well. Try to stir it very well. Now you can see my oil and my water is thickening, so I have to add in the oils. My first oil will be Snow White oil. Yes, guys, I'm adding in Snow White oil, which is 60 ml. I have added in 60 ml of my Snow White oil. Then I'll stir it again. You add, you stir, you add, you stir for them to be incorporate very well. Okay, yes. I should have added in my carrot oil, but I will take this one as my carrot oil. Nature Secret carrot oil, please. So I will also measure that one to 60 ml. Then I will stir it again. Now my base cream is thickening, so I have to get everything done. I should have added in my carrot oil, but I will take this one as my carrot oil. Nature Secret carrot oil, please. So I will also measure that one to 60 ml. Then I will stir it again. Now my base cream is thickening, so I have to get everything done. It will be thick than this. Right now, this is my propylene glycol, and I'm also going to add in 30 ml of my propylene glycol. 30 ml of my propylene glycol. 30 ml. Yes, this is the 30 ml of my propylene. Then I will mix it again. Please, you add, then you mix. You add and you mix, okay? I'm also going to add in my vitamin E oil. This one is the vitamin E oil. Yes, 20 ml. 20 ml. 20 ml. Then I stir it again. This is my whitening glycerin, guys. Please, I've added in my glycerin 30 ml. 30 ml of it, okay? Then I stir it. When this base cream cool down, it will become too thick, so you have to get early on it so that everything will be incorporated very well. I'm adding in my lactic acid. Yes, lactic acid will serve as exfoliating, okay? It serves as exfoliating. So I'm adding in 30 ml of my lactic acid. Yes, if you have glycolic acid, you can also add in 15 ml or 7.5 ml of your glycolic acid. Right now I'm adding in my preservative. I've added in the preservative, and right now I'm going to use my stick blender. Yes, I will use my stick blender to blend it very well. Now I am done with it. See how it look like. It's too thick, and it will become even more thicker than this one. So guys, see how our base cream look like. So tomorrow I will start formulating my own cream, okay? And I promise to give